Same clip, same me, same 3 jobs. Kill the filler words, fix my eye contact, add the captions. Left side, that's Descript. Right side, CapCut. I ran one 5-minute talking head clip through both, start to finish, same edit on each. And somewhere in the middle of this, one of these editors does something to your footage that most creators don't even know is happening. We'll get there. First, let's watch them go. I've spent more hours inside editing tools than I'd like to admit, and I've watched a lot of creators pick the wrong one and burn months on it. So I'm not reading you a spec sheet, I care about one thing. Which one earns a spot in your week? 3 features, head to head, then the timed edit. Then a straight answer on which one a creator who's actually trying to grow should run daily. Feature 1, the everyday one. Killing your ums, your uhs, that half second where your brain buffers. Both do this now. But how they do it is these 2 apps in a nutshell. Descript treats your video like a document. Here's your transcript. Every is sitting right there in the text. Delete the word, the video deletes with it. If you can use Google Docs, you can edit a video here. That's the pitch, and it holds up. CapCut does it too, and in this surprises people and for free. Run auto captions, switch on identify filler words, and it flags them for you to cut. Same idea. It just lives one layer deeper, next to all the timeline tools. Heads up though, this one's tucked behind CapCut Pro now, so it's not the free win it used to be. So on this one, it's closer than the internet will tell you. Descript feels faster because the whole app is built around the text. CapCut gets you there too. Just a couple more clicks, which raises the obvious question, what about the stuff that's supposed to feel like magic? Feature 2, eye contact. You filmed yourself reading a script, eyes down here, and the AI redraws them so it looks like you're staring down the lens. Both have it. Descript calls it eye contact. CapCut has an AI eye contact tool. Here's the honest part, because this is a review, not an ad. Facing mostly forward, both look genuinely good, subtle. Viewers won't clock it, but push the angle, turn your head, shoot from the side, and the AI starts to strain. Eyes can go a little glassy, a little off, and CapCut handles one face at a time, so it's a solo creator tool, not a 2-person podcast tool. Real features, real limits. On both. Use it for talking head. Don't expect miracles on a profile shot. Now here's where it got interesting for me, because once I'd run the full edit on both, and the speed gap was bigger than I expected, I'll get to it. I did the boring thing nobody does. I read the terms of service, and what's buried in one of these changed which editor I'd actually trust with my footage. Hold that thought. Feature 3, captions. Over half of people watch with subtitles now, so this isn't optional. Both auto-generate them. Both let you export a caption file for elsewhere. The difference is flavor. CapCut's built for that punchy, animated, word pops on the beat style. It's the TikTok parent company, that's home turf. Descripts are cleaner, more real YouTube video than real. Neither's wrong, it's just, who are you making this for? Okay, the part everyone argues about. Speed. I timed the same 5-minute clip on both. Import to export, same edit on each. And honestly, the gap was about what the reviews promised. Descript was done noticeably faster. The number people throw around, and it tracked for me, is that editing by text cuts your edit time by roughly 60 to 70% on talking head footage versus dragging clips around a timeline. The reason's simple. In Descript, I'm editing a transcript. Delete a sentence, the video deletes with it. No scrubbing, no hunting for the cut point. CapCut's a timeline editor at heart. For stacking effects, transitions, B-roll, it flies. But to clean up 5 minutes of talking, I'm doing more of it by hand. So it's not one's good, one's bad. It's text first versus timeline first. Talking head and podcast lean Descript. Effect heavy, short form, mobile leans CapCut. If your channel is mostly you talking, tutorials, reviews, explainers, Descript is the one I'd build a channel around. Faster edit, it'll chop a long video into shorts for you, and it plays nice if you ever add a teammate. If you're pumping out short form editing on your phone, budget basically zero. CapCut, no question. Now, the thing I told you to hold on to, the terms of service. Per CapCut's current terms, the moment you upload, you hand ByteDance, TikTok's parent, a perpetual worldwide license to use your content, including stuff you never published, including your name, your face, your voice, in their own marketing. Descript doesn't take those rights. I'm not saying delete CapCut. Use it with your eyes open. A lot of pros run both. Descript to cut, CapCut to package. That combo might be the real answer. So that's editing the smart way. But what if you barely had to edit at all? That's exactly what I get into right here. Go watch that one next.